Hey guys, hi, this is the Indian Tutor here. So this video is regarding a new long-term motor insurance policy which is being launched as of now. All insurers are launching it because IRDAI has given a clear directive to all insurers to launch new long-term policies for private car and two-wheelers, and it has made it mandatory to have an issue a 3-year and a 5-year third-party insurance for all new vehicles. Now, this circular came out in accordance to a directive given by the Supreme Court in a separate case of Sikaran versus Union of India, and this directive was given by the Supreme Court on 20th July. And your Supreme Court states that we make it clear that the third-party insurance cover for new cars should be mandatorily for a period of 3 years, and for two-wheelers it should be mandatorily be for a period of 5 years. So basically they are saying that for if you are purchasing a private car, आपको minimum 3 years का third-party insurance देना पड़ेगा, and if you are purchasing a two-wheeler, आपको minimum 5 years का third-party insurance लेना पड़ेगा. Now, IRDAI has also released its own circular on 1st of September 2018, and in that circular, they have again directed all insurers to come out with these types of policies. What will happen now is insurers will start issuing 3 different types of policies. Now, currently, you must be aware that you have 1-year policies for two-wheelers, the private cars and commercial vehicles. You have option for a third-party only policy and a package policy which includes own damage as well as third-party cover. This directive, what will happen is, right now some insurers are offering 3 years and 2 years long-term policies only for two-wheelers. Now they will start issuing up to 5 years for package policies for third-party, up to 3 years package policies for private car. So what will happen now? Let us understand what are the current policies which are available as per period, and let us understand what are the new policies which are covered. So what we'll do is we'll only consider private car and two-wheelers for simplicity purpose. We will not consider commercial vehicles right now. So what happened? So first, we currently have 1-year policies for all 3 products. So you have 1-year policy for private car, you have 1-year policy for two-wheelers. Also, only in case of two-wheelers, till 1st of September, you had long-term policies which were for 2 years and 3 years. These can be only a third-party policy, or these can be a comprehensive policy. Going forward, what will happen is, in case of two-wheelers, you will have option to buy a third-party only policy up to 5 years. And up to 5 years for new two-wheelers, it will become mandatory. You have to buy mandatorily 5-year third-party policy if you are purchasing a two-wheeler vehicle. Now here, you will have option to, along with third-party, also buy own damage cover for all the 5 years, or you will have option to have own damage only for the first year and have 5-year third-party policy. And similarly for private cars also, you will have option to buy a 3-year third-party policy. You will have an option to buy a 3-year package policy, and you will have an option to buy a bundled policy, which is 1 year own damage and 3 years third party. These policies, which are 1 year own damage and 5-year third party, 1 year own damage and 3 years third party, are respectively called as bundled package policy. So this is a great news for the industry. I'll also post a video analyzing how it will affect motor insurance. Now, if you like this video, please do subscribe. It encourages me to create more videos. Please help me out here. Do like and do subscribe. So signing out here. Thank you very much.